Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. This one I change by dy over dx. So dx I will put on the right, y square I will put on the left. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over y. This one, we have s squared over 2, and I will put about c. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. This is the end. Thank you for watching.